Did you know that you hold the power of the universe in your very hands? It's true. You can feel it every time you jump, run, or even just breathe. That power is called energy, and it's the invisible force that makes everything happen in our universe, from the smallest atom to the largest star. It's in the warmth of the sun on your skin, the electricity that powers your phone, and the food that gives you energy to play video games. So, buckle up as we embark on a thrilling journey to explore the different types of energy and how they shape our lives. Energy is everywhere and in everything. It's the driving force behind every action, every change, and every process in the universe. From the tiniest subatomic particle to the grand dance of galaxies, energy is the ultimate choreographer. But what exactly is energy? In the simplest terms, energy is the ability to do work. Think about it. When you lift a book, you're doing work against gravity, and you need energy to do it. When a car accelerates, it's doing work to overcome friction and air resistance, and it gets that energy from burning fuel. Energy is the currency of the universe, and it comes in many different forms. For example, when you switch on a light bulb, electrical energy is transformed into light energy and heat energy. This fundamental principle is known as the law of conservation of energy, and it's one of the cornerstones of modern physics. Let's start our energy exploration with the most intuitive form, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is simply the energy of motion. Anything that moves possesses kinetic energy, from a speeding bullet to a leisurely stroll in the park. The faster an object moves, the more kinetic energy it has. Similarly, the heavier an object, the more kinetic energy it possesses at the same speed. Think about a bowling ball rolling down the lane. It has more kinetic energy than a tennis ball rolling at the same speed because it has more mass. Wind turbines capture the kinetic energy of the wind to generate electricity. Hydroelectric dams use the kinetic energy of falling water to power homes and industries. Now let's talk about potential energy, the energy of position or stored energy. Imagine holding a stretched rubber band. It's not moving, but you can feel the potential energy stored within it, just waiting to be unleashed. A book held above the ground has gravitational potential energy because gravity is pulling it downwards. If you let go, that potential energy will be converted into kinetic energy as the book falls. A stretched rubber band has elastic potential energy because it wants to return to its original shape. Release it, and that potential energy transforms into kinetic energy, propelling the rubber band forward. A battery stores chemical potential energy that can be transformed into electrical energy to power your devices. Kinetic and potential energy are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the fascinating world of energy. There's a whole spectrum of energy forms out there, each with its own unique properties and applications. Thermal energy, also known as heat energy, is related to the temperature of an object. Light energy is a form of electromagnetic radiation that our eyes can detect. It allows us to see the world around us and is essential for plant growth through photosynthesis. Sound energy is produced by vibrations that travel through a medium, such as air or water. It's what allows us to hear music, conversations, and the sounds of nature. Electrical energy is the flow of electric charge, often through wires and circuits. Chemical energy is stored within the bonds of molecules and is released during chemical reactions. Nuclear energy is stored within the nucleus of an atom. Understanding energy is not just about acing your science exams, it's about understanding the very fabric of our universe and our place within it. Energy drives our world, from the technologies we rely on to the natural processes that sustain life. As we move into the future, our relationship with energy will become even more crucial. We face global challenges like climate change, resource depletion, and the need for sustainable energy solutions. By understanding the principles of energy, its different forms, and how to convert it efficiently, you can be part of the solution. You can contribute to developing cleaner energy technologies, designing more energy-efficient buildings, and making informed decisions about our energy future. The study of energy is a gateway to innovation and discovery, so keep that curiosity alive, never stop asking questions, and who knows what amazing energy breakthroughs you might be a part of one day.